Is that what you want to wear? It's kind of reading like you're wearing a towel on camera.
It does. It looks like I'm wearing a towel.
Yeah.
We are still on Cape Cod, day 3, heading up to Sandwich.
Sandwich? What type of name is Sandwich?
Oh, please. What are you so LA? Give me a break. On our way up to Runaway Farm. It's massive. There's so much property. There's so many buildings. My friend Dan is a wonderful, wonderful guy, and he just has this beautiful home with all these animals, and I love hanging out there, but there are tons of projects. My nephew's coming in from Vermont, Lexi. He knows his way around a farm. They live on a farm up in Vermont. He's my helper for the day. He knows his way around animals and barns and all the rest of it, right?
Well, something like that anyway.
Yeah. He knows everything about animals. He knows everything about barns, and I need a strong young guy to come carry some of this stuff around because I don't think I've ever picked up bales of hay before, and I don't know what I'm going to be encountering in this barn. This is the protector of the farm, and we're going to take you out and show you all the other beautiful beasts, all of God's creatures that this little guy runs around and protects.
Here they come.
I don't have to be afraid of anybody, right?
Fine. Anita's sitting there. I showed her a video earlier. She goes, "Can I ride the alpaca? Can I ride the donkey? Can I ride the llama?" Now they come running up and she's like running.
Look at the dog with those cows. Look at them. How funny is that?
He'll taunt him and then he'll run away. Pink, come here. Right now. Come on. Good boy, buddy.
Pinky, what are you eating there, buddy? Is that food or shit?
Shit, both.
I think
Oh, he's out there.
looks of protein in there. How's that shit? Does it taste good?
So for 2 or 3 months now, I know that the goats were gonna have babies. And so I kept on thinking I have to get the barn ready, I gotta get the barn ready, but there's so many other things I have to do as well. And it was getting closer and closer and closer.
Hey guys. What up, man? Yeah.
Who's having babies? Want some of this? Whoa, does that feel good? Scratch my head. Oh, you're a big one. Yeah, you are a big. Hey,
Hey, bud.
stop it. Stop. Hey, this big one pregnant?
They all should be. That short one behind you,
Yeah.
he's the only boy. He's the daddy.
Joe? You talking about Joe? Wait a minute, is there only one boy out here?
Only one boy.
You lucky goat.
Yeah, oh, he must be a busy boy. Getting a lot of action, huh, buddy? I don't know what Dan calls him, but I named him Hef. This is his kingdom, and all the girls are pregnant. So you need some major power snacks. So it's the 2 on the end. We're getting them ready for the babies,
Correct.
right?
Yep.
It's basically just cleaning it out, and then we're laying down
Cleaning it out and getting it kid goat friendly.
And then you want everything out of the middle here? Is that
Correct.
what basically, you put the mom and the babies in so that nobody bothers them, so the other guys?
Yeah, because they'll be competitive.
So these are the ones we're doing. Gonna heave ho, everything in here, and then everything in here. And where am I putting all of this stuff? I know where I'm putting this, but like, what about the old hay and everything?
Oh, we can rake it up and throw it in a pile and
Rake it out this way?
Yeah, any place, and whatever's easiest.
All right, Anita and Lexi. What the hell are we gonna do, Anita?
We're gonna clean out these 2 stalls.
That would be good.
Oh, yeah, listen to him. He sounds like me a little bit.
Oh yeah, early in the morning. Should we grab some stuff and start going? This is an old style rake for haying.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm using this one.
That's the poop scooper. You know, it's like a giant kitty litter scoop almost.
Yeah, like
You
a
know?
big pooper scoop
Yeah.
for like dinosaurs. How does this get in here? How did this get inside?
Maybe it was food.
For who?
I don't know. You never ate a branch before?
Goats do love branches.
I can go throw these to the goats?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, look. Oh, yeah. Huh?
Oh my God, Lexi, you can't lift these.
You're a strong boy.
Why not?
Okay, I'll let you do this. I'm gonna let him do all the work. So it was really interesting with Dan today because he took off. I had no idea. He said he was going to get a coffee, and the next thing I knew, truck's going down the driveway. I guess it was good because we got everything done. I had Lexi with me and he knew what we needed to do. Stack them up on top of each other. Can't you feed this to the goats?
So what are we doing now?
I'm gonna start cleaning it up over here. Lexi's gonna finish these suckers.
Okay. When are we gonna get all this stuff? Look at all that.
We're doing one end at a time. Well, there's 2 of us.
What?
Really?
What?
All wrapped up.
There's a lot of
the
dust.
dust bothering you?
A lot of dust. Look at all that dust. I gotta wear a
Oh,
mask.
God. You're not even like near the the dust doing the work.
I'd help, but you know, on the camera goes.
Oh,
so.
please.
So this stall on this side is ready to go. We'll grab 2 of those bags of shavings and we'll open them up, spread them out in there. All right, Anita, here's the fun part. Rip this open and grab a handful and...
Just start throwing it around?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fun.
It'll fluff up. Hey!
Oh, this is fun.
This is rewarding, right?
Yeah, this is nice. Gonna make it all nice for Mama and the babies.
These are mud dauber wasps.
Wasps?
No. I was thinking mud dauber wasps, but they're not wasps. They make the nest kind of the same way. They grab like mud and clay, and the bird will come in.
Oh, it's for birds.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. We've emptied out this first one. It's so fluffy, cozy. Now we're gonna just finish off the other room over here.
More fun.
So much fun.
Phone break. Here's a good one.
I want to do the whole place now.
All right, man. How we looking? We finished?
I think these are good. These are pretty much ready to go. Where are my glasses at?
Dude, did you lose them in there while you're kicking all this stuff?
Maybe I dropped them in here.
What's the update now? He said we're finished the rooms.
They're ready. They're good to go. Let's start doing down here. I started dragging down all the food to line it all up. I want to sweep it all and just work down this way.
I have to eventually get back to LA. This looks like it'll take a while.
You're never going back. We've adopted you into the family now.
Okay, I'm down.
We're going to
Remind me of my-
baptize you Greek. I'm going to be your
we go.
godmother. I'm going to be your godfather.
We got a big pool out there. We can do a baptism.
There
Full
we-
body.
Ah. Lexi and I have finished up all of our
Yeah.
heave hoeing.
And we got a new
And-
face.
This is Caitlin.
Hi.
Caitlin is with SLD Interiors.
You brought our lunch?
She brought our lunch, and she's got a little surprise that we're not going to tell Dan about until it's going to be the finishing touch. We wanted to keep going, but
Right. The time.
you told me just 2.
There you go.
So you want to take a little look-see and see what you think?
Let's go.
Oh my God! They heaved ho, all right. That barn had never been as clean since the day I bought the place, to tell you the truth, and it's been 23 years. The only regret I have is that we didn't do 10 times the amount of things and do the garage and the basement. I haven't asked Anita yet, but I just hope that she can come back because I need a little bit more We Heave Ho.
Should we bring them up? And look, I even went up into the rafters and got all the
Oh,
cobwebs.
jeez, that's awesome.
Can we bring them, like, 2 of the mamas in and see how they do?
We can bring some mamas in.
And see if they're happy?
Does somebody want to stay man the gate so I don't have to lock it and unlock it? Just all you gotta do is just make sure it doesn't open. They get out. Do you want to come in?
Oh, I'm good. I'll be out here because are they gonna walk into here,
Over
right?
there.
I'll drag the
Gotta
thing
go.
over here.
Yeah.
Do it.
You're gonna get a...
I'll drag it back.
You gotta go get that.
Okay. Oh, I see now.
Oh, hey, camera, baby,
What?
camera, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Get out.
We got a baby.
Oh my God.
Timing was everything today, guys.
How do we know which one's the mama?
She just ran away from him. All the goats came up to me because I feed them that way, except for one, and there's always a reason for that.
Ah.
So I looked over there and I saw Mom just sitting there, and she saw me with the food and didn't come running. So I said, this is it.
Oh,
And it
wow.
is. We're going to have to let Mom and her get back together again, so we'll find out which one. That might be Mom.
What are the odds that that little baby was born the day we went up to get that barn ready, those stalls?
It was as if we staged it, to tell you the truth. I bet, how can you stage a baby being born? And so it was pretty incredible. And I've been personally known for waiting to the last minute. And I think having stalls ready for a nursery, it was about as last minute as you can get.
I've got Caitlin here, and we're setting up the nursery for the new little baby girl that was just born today. No one's gonna believe it.
It's looks staged.
It does.
It looks, it
It
actually
really
looks
does.
staged.
But it's true. We're not lying.
It's unbelievable. It actually amazes me how they just make that bond connection. Nothing that that mama didn't do to protect that little baby right now.
Caitlin just finished the interior for the nursery for our little girl. Dan, what did you say? First goat ever on the
First, I've had plenty of sheep born here, probably 100 or more. And this is the first goat ever. So it's really a special day.
And it
I'm
happened
telling you,
today.
it looks. This couldn't have been any better. Yeah.
And now we're gonna take mommy and her little baby
To the
girl.
nursery.
What are you gonna name her?
I don't know. Pork chop. I wasn't aware that Anita was doing all these special things. Caitlin from SLD Decorating and Interiors. I'm like, barn's not interior. But when I went out there and saw the chandelier and all the pink things that were just appropriate for a brand new baby, it was pretty special. Really? A chandelier, a pink chandelier?
No.
We don't mess around.
Really?
The nursery all done just in time.
All right, so we got to come up with a name for the little girl.
We're gonna name her Grace.
Grace is perfect.
Yep, she is. So it was really beautiful and emotional, I have to say. This was an incredible, incredible day for me. Dan said I could name her, and I just thought she was such a little blessing to be born today while we were all up there together. I decided to name her Grace, and she's beautiful.
Yo, everybody! They don't attack, right? Not gonna like bite me and shit?
No. Joe,
Yeah.
I found your twin. I think you guys are going to the same place for your hair.
Oh, yeah.
What's up?